I believe Tetris was successful because it was simple and fun. It was easy to understand and play. I remember playing it on a brick game when I was a kid. I liked the challenge of fitting the block together. It felt good when I cleared line and I got high score. The game got harder as I played, so it's never got boring. It was also easy to bring and play anywhere that made it exciting and popular for me and many others. Nintendo's success in the gaming industry was driven by several key strategies, including their focus on their party software and strict control over developers. The three things from our course material that can think of is quality control with the seal of approval. I believe that Nintendo valued first party software by developing their own game. They include they could ensure quality, innovation, and exclusivity, which helped them build a loyal fan base and maintain dominance in the gaming industry.